Next page. On 17, we are just going to be writing the definition. This one is complementary because it is 90 degrees. This one will be adjacent because it shares this ray. This one will be linear or supplementary. Linear, it makes a line. This one, when they cross, those are going to be called vertical angles. On 21, we have a 90-degree angle, which means that 59 plus b should add up to 90 degrees. Minus 59, we get b equals 31. If I plug it in, it's just 31, it doesn't change. 22, this angle is 90, which means this one also does because it's a line. So 34 plus b should equal 90 degrees, minus the 34. B equals 56. We have again 90 degrees, so they should add up. X plus 9 plus 54 equals 90. Minus that 54 away. X plus 9 equals 46. Minus that 9. And x equals 27. 36. Minus 9 is 27. Plug the 27 in, and you get that this angle is 36 when we plug x in. On 24, they're 90 degrees again, so x plus 17 plus 2x plus 1 equals 90. We have 3 x's plus 18 equals 90, minus 18. 3x is equal to 72 divided by 3, and x is equal to 24. Plug the 24 in and you should get 41 and 49, which add up to 90. 25, they make a line, so they should add up to 180. Minus the 104. B is equal to 76. Same thing, linear again, they add up to 180. Minus 105. Equals 75. 27. These two are linear, so they need to add up to 180. 4x plus 112 equals 180, minus the 112. 4x equals 86. Divide by 4, divide by 4. And then we get x equals 17. Plug it in to get that this angle is 78 degrees. Linear, add up to 180. Six x plus 72 equals 180, minus 72 from both sides. 6x equals 801 divided by 6. We get that x equals 18. Plug it in and you get 112 for that angle. 29, these are vertical angles, which means that they are equal. Same thing here, vertical, which means they are equal. When these are equal, we set the equation. We make an equation, so 6x plus 5 equals 59. Minus 5, 6x is equal to 54 divided by 6, x equals 9. When I plug it in, we're going to get that this angle is 59 degrees, which is good. They should be the same angle because they're vertical. Same thing, vertical, set equal. X equals 13. Oh, sorry, 15. Goodness, okay, x equals 15. Plug it in, 3 times 15 is 45. If I would have plugged in that 13 that I thought I got, I would have gotten a different angle and they wouldn't have matched. That would have told me that I needed to go back and check my work because these two should be the same measurement when you plug x in. 33, these are corresponding, which means they're the same size, so this should be 49 degrees. 34 is alternating interior, which means they're also the same, 90 degrees. Now we have vertical angles. Vertical angles are equal, so this should be 96. Alternating, and they're outside, so exterior. They are the same size, so this one should be 50. These ones make a line. You can call them linear or supplementary. So that means they should add up to 180. Minus the 60 from 180. Get 120 for the missing angle. These ones are consecutive because they're on the same side, and they're interior, which means they add up to 180. X equals 100. Now on 39, we're going to add a little more algebra. So when I have these, they're vertical. I'm going to set them equal. They're at the same size angle. So minus 14x add the 6. 2x equals 12 divided by 2, x equals 6. And then we're going to plug that 6 in. When I plug it in, I get that both of the angles are equal to 90 degrees, which is good because they should be the same measurement when I plug x in. 40, these are consecutive interior. They're different sizes, so they should add up to 180. Oops. So we get 18. So 24x plus 12 equals 180. So then I'm going to subtract 12. $168 divided by 24. X is equal to 7. I plug it in and we get 50 and 130 for the angle measurements. On problem number 41, they are also consecutive interior, which means they're different sizes. One's big and one's small, so they should add up to 180. So we get 22x plus 4 equals 180 minus the 4. 22x equals 176. Divide by 22. X equals 8. Plug it in and we get 130 for the top angle and 50 for the bottom angle. These ones are corresponding, which means they're the same size, so we set them equal. Minus the 14x. X is equal to 7. Plug in that 7 and you're going to get 105 and 105, which makes sense because they're the same size, so they should have the same measurement. On 43, they are alternating interior. When they're alternating, they're the same size, so I'm going to set them equal. Minus 8x, add 7, I'm going to do it in a two-step line. Cancel, 9 minus 8 is 1x, equals 1 plus 7 is 8, those cancel, x equals 8, I plug it in, and we get 65 for both angles, which is correct, they should be the same size. 41, they are linear. So I'm going to say that x plus 117 plus x plus 71 equals 180 because the line is 180 degrees. We have 2x plus 881 equals 180 minus 188. 2x equals negative 8. Divide by 2, x equals negative 4. When I plug in that negative 4 for x, we get 115 and 67 degrees. And that is how, and that's what the practice exam, the first exam in quarter 3 will look like. If you have questions, come see me after school or in the morning.